If marketing your creative business feels like a second job you didn't sign up for, you're not the only one feeling this way. You love creating, you care about your work, but the moment you switch into marketing mode, it feels forced, draining, and honestly, a little disconnected from who you are as a creative entrepreneur. So you procrastinate, or you show up inconsistently, or you follow strategies that just don't feel like you. But what if marketing didn't have to feel like this at all? Ciao, y'all. I'm Kiara, content marketer, AI powered content strategist, coach, and founder of the Museum Creative, where I help creative arts entrepreneurs simplify marketing, amplify their voice, and grow sustainable creative businesses through human first AI supported content strategies. If marketing your work has ever felt overwhelming or out of alignment, this video is for you. Because the problem isn't that you dislike marketing, it's that you've been taught to approach it in a way that doesn't fit how creatives think and create. Let's start here. Why does marketing feel like such a struggle? Most creatives are exposed to marketing advice that sounds like follow this exact formula, post this type of content every day, use this new trend, replicate what's already working. And while those strategies might work in some industries, they often feel completely disconnected from your creative business. So instead of feeling inspired, you are confused, pressured, demotivated, and creatively drained because you're trying to fit your work into a system that wasn't designed for you. Here's a shift I challenge you to make that'll change everything. Marketing shouldn't be separate from your creative work. It should be a natural extension of it, where your content works as another medium or way to express your ideas and perspective, your story and expertise, your values and beliefs, your solution to your audience's needs. When you start seeing marketing this way, it stops feeling like a dreadful task and becomes a continuation of your creative process that supports your business goals. A big reason creative entrepreneurs feel stuck with marketing is that there's so much noise online. Quick hacks, viral tricks, cookie cutter strategies. Those approaches often prioritize fast attention over connection. And for creatives, connection is everything. Think about it. Your audience doesn't just want content or simply see more of your creative work. They want meaning, story, authenticity, perspective, and most importantly, they want a clear solution to their core problems. Whether it's about learning what art to choose for a calmer, more relaxing indoor space, or getting support in designing an engaging, kids focused art exhibit. That's what builds trust, and trust is what leads to opportunities, clients, and growth. So, what actually works? Instead of chasing random tips or trends, focus on creating resonant, customer centric content. Content that speaks directly to your ideal people, reflects their needs and desires, connects your work to their world. For example, instead of only showing your work, talk about what it represents and why it's important. Instead of only sharing your process, explain why it matters and how it differs in its own way. Instead of focusing on visibility alone, zero in on building camaraderie and connection. Because when your audience feels seen and understood, they don't just follow you, they start trusting you and coming back for more support. Now, you might think, that's cool, but I don't have time for this. I got you, because this is where AI becomes incredibly helpful by taking care of the heavy lifting for you. It can do audience and topic research, brainstorm content ideas, structure your thoughts, repurpose your content, refine your messaging, and more. So instead of spending hours alone figuring out what to say, with AI, you can prioritize what actually matters: your purpose, your goals, your ideas, your perspective. This way, AI doesn't replace your creativity, it just supports it by freeing you up from repetitive tasks. When you combine a clear understanding of your audience, a message that resonates, and AI that sustains your workflow, the shift happens. Marketing stops being a chore, an obligation, a second job, especially when rooted in customer led content. It turns into a genuine extension of your creative work, a way to share and amplify your voice, and a sustainable way to connect with the people who truly value what you do. So, if marketing has been sapping your energy lately, it's not because you're doing something wrong. It's because you've been trying to approach it in a way that clashes with your creative rhythm and identity. Once you change perspective, marketing becomes lighter, more intentional, and much more effective. If you want extra help simplifying your marketing, I created a free guide for you. 5 AI-powered solutions for creatives who dread marketing. Inside, you'll discover how to generate content ideas, refine your messaging, and stay consistent without feeling overwhelmed. You can download it through the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed today's videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more strategies on growing your creative business through AI-powered content marketing. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!